Hi again. In my last video, I showed you the printer and filaments that I'm using to learn about 3D printing before possibly starting a business. This time around, I'm just going to go over the software that I'll be using. Not saying this is the best or only software to use, but this is what I'm going to start with. As my needs change and as I learn more, I'll probably change the software that I use as well. First up, since I'm using a Bambu Lab printer for my slicer, I'll use Bambu Studio. If you don't know what a slicer is, basically this is where you'll put your model. You'll probably import models to begin with instead of creating your own. And this software sends that to the printer and tells it how to be printed. Uh, when you get deeper into the weeds, you can control pretty much every aspect of how that works. But for now, it's mostly just select your printer, select your filament, send it. It figures it out. On the phone, I'll be using this Bambu Handy app. Mostly I just use this to check in on a long print. If I take the dog for a walk in the park, I can whip out my phone and see where the print stands, make sure there's no problems. It's worked pretty well for me. There's other things you can do with this, but for now, that's all I do with it. For my modeling, I'm using Blender. This is free and open source software. A lot of people will use Shaper 3D or QuickCAD, some sort of CAD software. I use this for a reason. I can go into that later, but it works fine. Everything we've tried to do so far, this has worked great for us. Right now I'm recording on OBS, Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS Studio. This is free and open source as well. Two of my favorite things. It works great. I have a little problems occasionally setting up different devices, but overall, I've had very good luck with it. It's great for just recording. You can even live stream with us. We'll go into this a little bit more later if anybody's interested. And then for my video editing, I use DaVinci Resolve. I am using the free version for now, but I love supporting companies who make software that I use. So I'll be buying the paid version soon, the DaVinci Resolve Studio. This is by Blackmagic. All these links will be down below. But that's just a really quick nickel tour of the software I'm going to be using. If you're interested in these tools or my workflow, ask any questions you want. If there's interest in anything specific, I'll go into great detail of maybe doing a playlist of training for these software packages. But that's all I'm doing for now. And in the next video, I'll start showing you some actual prints. Won't that be exciting?